1 Corinthians 6:18 tells us sexual sin is different than every other sin. And then it tells us why it's different, and it tells us how to get rid of it, how to get it out of our lives. And so here's why sexual sin is different. Because the Bible says that sexual sin is a sin against your own body. Now, what does that mean? Well, we have science to show us now that when you sin sexually, what you're doing is you are actually creating a neurochemical, physiological bond to whatever you just orgasm to. So if you keep making bonds with this piece of tape, you keep putting every which way, you put it over here, you put it over here, what's going to happen is it's going to lose its natural intention, which is to bond. And so when you're sinning outside of the bounds of marriage sexually, what's happening is you're making all these bonds and you are literally destroying your own body and your own mind because you're bonding to things that you weren't intended to bond to. You're intended to bond to one person, not to multiple different things, not computer screens, not different people. And so you are literally sinning against your own body. Now, here's where it tells us, or here's what it tells us to do about it. It says this: flee from sexual immorality. It doesn't say fight it. It doesn't say put up more blockers. That's a good thing to do. It doesn't say strategize your way to get rid of it. No, you know what it says to do? Get out of the house. Run from that bar. It says shut your computer and go on a run. It says flee and it will leave. That's the one strategy. And that's why sexual immorality is different than every other kind of sin.